Hello everyone. The shooting of the Phase 4 Marvel movie Thor: Love and Thunder is taking place in Australia, from where leak images has been going viral, where Chris Pratt aka Star-Lord and other Guardians of the Galaxy members are shooting for the movie. That makes clear that this movie is going to be more awesome and iconic, because there will be a huge crossover of two super powerful franchises, that too when the villain is gonna be Christian Bale. So hello everyone, my name is Vaibhav. Today I'll talk about Thor's journey and everything that will happen in Thor: Love and Thunder. So without wasting any time, let's begin the video. When we saw these superheroes last time, it was Avengers Endgame, where Thor gives up on his king's power and start living as a warrior who will protect the whole universe. In the Thor Ragnarok, after the destruction of Asgard, Thor's real problem started. Then as he lost his brother Loki, he get beaten by Thanos, and then he was almost died before Guardians of the Galaxy saves him in the Infinity War, and then their chemistry was loved by fans, which has a lot of drama and humor. And then after the end of the Avengers Endgame, Thor realized that he is a better warrior than a king, and then he started his new phase of life by joining Guardians of the Galaxy. Now we will talk about Guardians of the Galaxy. Guardians of the Galaxy 1 took place in 2014, and then Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 2 took place in 2017. But it is confirmed that both movies' timeline has been taken in 2014, and then their bad phase started after 3 years after they met Thor in Avengers Infinity War, where Gamora get killed by Thanos, and except Rocket and Nebula, every other Guardians get wiped out due to Snap. And then after 5 years in 2023 in Endgame, Gamora of 2014 returns, and then every Guardians of the Galaxy member assemble and help Avengers in beating Thanos and his army. But the last movie of Phase 4 is going to be Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 3, where these mighty superheroes are going to return. I have made a video on every movie releasing in the Phase 4, where I have discussed about the villain in every movie, including Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 3 and Thor 4. Please check out that video, link will be flashing upwards. And now let's talk about Thor: Love and Thunder. That this movie is gonna be mixture of a lot of things. As much as cast and storyline is getting confirmed, the movie's hype is going more and more. That it feels this movie is gonna be more awesome than Civil War and Thor Ragnarok. It is confirmed that Jane Foster will live the Mjolnir. Christian Bale will be Gore the God Butcher. That's main motive is to kill every god in the universe. And since it's Christian Bale here, this will definitely give us Batman vs Thor's vibe. Thor, Groot, Mendes, Gamora, Rocket and Drax's chemistry will be more fun to watch. And if we take the comic book reference, then when the last time Thor faces Gore the God Butcher, he becomes unworthy, and then Jane Foster became the new Thor. And this movie is gonna be more awesome, as Taika Waititi is going to be director of this movie. We have to wait a year and a half or maybe two to get the most iconic movie of the Phase 4 that will contain a lot of humor, a lot of action, suspense, Christian Bale, Rabbit and Tree. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to my both channel. Till then, bye bye.
Profesor. Profesor.
Profesor.
Profesor. Profesor. Profesor. Sí, profesor.
El profesor. El profesor. El profesor. El profesor. El profesor.
Call me Professor.